What's up guys, this is another one of my Christmas unboxings for the Sony PlayStation 3. Look around the box, it's the front. It is the 12 gig console, as I bought the a separate hard drive to put inside. So that's the front, you get the PlayStation. On the bottom just the barcodes. On the side you have PlayStation 3 and 12 gigabytes. On the top you have the same PlayStation 3 12 gigabytes, and on the side PlayStation 3 and an example of the PlayStation Network. On the back we've got all the Sony Entertainment information and just the console information and trademarks, etc. Let's get cracking in my unboxing knife. So it's a bit difficult with one hand. We have two flaps. We have the DualShock 3 controller, which is extremely light. We have a charging cable, micro USB to USB for the controller. We have the power cable, no power brick, which is good, and we have the component AV cables, which is a surprise. I thought it'd come with HDMI. And if we open this flap, we have the PlayStation itself. So the PlayStation's in this cardboard here. And it's the PlayStation, it comes in these little feet. And just the plastic, take that off. And there it is. Around the console, two USB ports, and the PlayStation, the sliding tray here. On the top we have nothing. This off on the bottom we have the PlayStation logo. On the back you have all your component. It's got the power, the AV, in and out, HDMI and Ethernet. And just the fan vents. It is extremely light.